And so here I will have a quarter round sitting on top of it, because the height of this seal allows me to put a quarter round here. So all I need this plank to do is to go in a 1/4 inch, and to do that I just need to remove some of this slack, and I can do it with a knife. This is another advantage of a vinyl plank. You can cut it with a knife. Maybe I should just get rid of all of it. There. Still have to allow for the expansion gap. Now here, again, I'm gonna have a 1/4 round sitting here, but I do want this flooring to go all the way in here, right? So I'm gonna mark this line here and just remove this distance, which is 3/8 or so from here. Okay. And now it should just slip under this thing. Alright. This one I do want to put in before I do the rest. So for this piece, I want to preserve a factory edge, of course, on this side where things gonna connect to it. And I want to put it right under this door casing. So make it 6, 9. Do I actually need this? Stick your pencil, see how far it can go, and go 1/4 inch less. So go inch, an inch. This gets removed. And so here, I'm just going to remove this lock till about this point here with a knife. Okay, so this one, obviously I want to start here, not there, and then I have all that trouble. So I'm just gonna measure to middle of the rounded part, which is 13 3/8. And we'll do 13 3/8 here, and I'm gonna stick it in and see, and then 1/4 inch out for expansion gap. And this is actually gonna be 16, let's call it 5/8. So this will move 16 5/8 here, and there it is. Now in theory, these lines should be looks good. Here I'm gonna put it where it needs to go with the expansion gap and just mark this line. Stick my pencil in here, see how far it goes. Or stick your plank in there and see how far it goes. Yeah. So I'm gonna notch about 1/2 inch. Or a little bit more. Just like this. And then it should go right in. Before I go and cut this piece, I want to make this one as well, so I don't end up running up and down the stairs a million times. So I'm gonna just insert this here. This line just tells me where my seam is, so I don't end up putting another one right over it. This one, I actually want to make a connection right here. So I'm gonna flip it. Expansion gap and mark it. I'm gonna see how far it's gonna go. That far. Mark it. Mark it right here. And do 45. Okay. So this will sit right here. And so I do want to make the next plank. Before I go cut it, I'm gonna do this. This is where they're gonna connect. So if we connect them, if I do this, it should work. See how we did here. Come on. Okay, so this one have to trim a bit. It's to go in about 1/4 inch and then expansion gap, so something like this. Actually, like that. Not a straight cut. Because this is 1/4 inch thick here and 1/2 inch on the other side. Okay, so we can do this. And we can do those both to pieces.